my
That's gonna
god.
be the halftime show.
Yeah, you gotta get more chairs to stack them up.
What time is it?
Here, put these pillows.
I don't know.
What time is it?
Hold on
your Apple phone.
I can't. I'm recording.
Hold on, I'll get you the time. 10:03.
It's 10:03, August 19th, and we are setting up a pregnant planking.
Well, I could put my feet right there. Oh, no, my feet is
You're
there.
supposed to be here, your face supposed to be here. Maybe turn this around like this. You're not gonna fall.
Yeah, get the pillow
And
for
just
her.
put your forehead like this.
Get a pillow for her.
Yeah, right?
What if I put this here?
Yeah, it looks like that.
Is
What's
that,
up?
you think that'll be cushion enough?
No?
You're filming already?
Mm-hmm.
How we doing?
Come on, we're planking. Plank. All right.
Really sober one.
All right, hold on.
I should sit on this first. That's
Yeah, go ahead.
Look, I found this.
Yeah, Michael, you should test it out.
Like she was.
Jeanette, I found this.
I just want to make sure this is not like
Yeah,
one
lay
of
down
these
it like
things you
how
just
she
say.
was.
This good?
What's
Forehead?
that? Perfect. Yeah, damn, what she got? A rat forehead?
Belly out,
Yeah.
belly out, stick out.
That's hard as hell, right?
Yeah, but you gotta hold the end of this table.
See, that's why I said
Yeah.
someone's got to sit there. Okay.
Ooh.
Like that.
You know what? It's scary as shit.
Get on your side first.
Yeah.
Yeah, the road.
This looks like it's gonna
Yeah,
fall.
I don't-
Can you imagine if you fall?
What are the proper planking rules?
You shouldn't even sit on it. Just hold it.
Imagine if he falls and we get that recorded and send that shit in. Plank goes
You're not
wrong.
gonna be able to stick out. You have to mile a little bit more. Your hips got to be up here. Yeah, it's gonna be nice.
How the hell is he gonna do this being
You're
pregnant?
not gonna be able to.
No way.
You got scared as hell.
You got scared as hell.
I was going like this on the table. You got scared. How are we gonna do this?
You know what I'm nervous about?
That
This-
front is
about
going
the
in.
front
It's
going
digging in the
into the
ground.
ground. That's
Look over here. What are you doing?
look at that.
Tilting, yeah.
Oh. What about on two chairs like
That's
you
why you
said?
gotta get bricks and stack up a little floor.
Briggs.
See, I was thinking, like,
Let her do it.
I was just
She
thinking,
knows what
like,
she's doing.
laying like this.
That's what I thought.
Get on the other side.
She did it! Yeah, she did it!
She's the best.
Oh
Like, this is a memorable moment.
Yeah, she crazy.
oh my god.